Insulated vinyl siding in Baltimore, Maryland. Insulated vinyl siding offers superior durability against extreme weather conditions such as ice storms, heavy winds, and hail. Insulated vinyl siding is also an eco-friendly choice that can help you reduce your utility bills and increase the value of your home. Insulated vinyl siding requires less maintenance than traditional vinyl windows over time compared to stucco or brick exteriors. Options for insulated vinyl siding repair includes using a caulking gun and sealant, use a patch kit, or purchase an entire replacement piece of vinyl. Insulated vinyl siding saves money on energy bills and protects homes from elements for short-term and long-term benefits. Some maintenance tips for insulated vinyl siding includes: clean regularly, inspect annually, avoid harsh chemicals, contact a professional. With proper maintenance, insulated vinyl siding can last for decades without needing replacement or repair. Insulated vinyl siding cost will vary depending on the type, size, and style you choose. The cost will also be determined by local labor costs and other factors such as tax breaks. Experienced vinyl siding contractors can offer further advice on installing insulated vinyl siding along with other window and door installation services that contribute to energy savings. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.